In this tutorial, you will learn how to access our ebooks through the Valverde Unified Go Follett platform. Once logged into Classlink, all students have the Destiny Discover icon. Click on this icon. It will take you to our Go Follett platform. Find your school. In this tutorial, we will use Triple Crown Elementary School. Click Go. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Login. Here, type in your Valverde username. For the password, use your 10-digit ID and click Submit. You will see all of the books in the library, including print books. These have been recently added. These are our popular titles. You can search by topic. These are interactive lightbox titles, and these are our ebooks. Click on See All. To check out any ebook, click on Check Out. To look at the ebook, click on Open. If you click on Check Out, this book will be in your Follett book bag. When you click to the main menu, click on Checkouts. You can see what books you have. Here we have Diary of a Wimpy Kid. We'll click on Open, and your ebook will open. Use the arrows to turn pages. Happy reading!